Assalamu alaikum. Today's project is a beautiful resin sea wall clock. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete process step by step. MDF board, epoxy resin and hardener, blue, light blue, beige, and white mica powders, seashells, decorative stones, small crabs, turtles, clock mechanism, clock hands, acrylic numbers, heat gun. Apply masking tape around the back and edges of the MDF board. This will prevent resin from dripping onto the back of the board. Mix resin and hardener to ratios written on bottles. Mix well continuously to remove air bubbles. Divide mixed resin in 4 cups and add dark blue, light blue, white, and beige mica powder in each cup. Start pouring the resin layer by layer. First, pour the dark blue resin one side. Next, add the light blue resin in the center. Then pour the beige resin to create the sandy beach effect. After that, add thin layers of white resin. Using a heat gun, gently blow the white resin from the side to create soft, foamy ocean waves. Add again white resin to make foamy ocean waves. While the resin is still wet, arrange the seashells, decorative stones, small crabs, or stones on the beige section. Carefully place the acrylic numbers in their correct positions, ensuring they are evenly aligned for accurate timekeeping. To achieve a glossy look, apply top coat, allow the resin to cure, remove the masking tape from the back. Finally, attach the clock mechanism to the back of the clock and carefully install the clock hands. Make sure the hands move freely without touching each other. Congratulations! Your beautiful handmade resin sea wall clock is now complete and ready to display or gift. Happy crafting! Thanks for watching! If you loved this resin tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss my new videos.